How to remove threads from Instagram bio. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to your application Instagram. You have to make sure that your application is up to date. If not, you can head over to your app store and then update your application to the latest version. Once your application is up to date, open the app. Enter your login credential as in your username and the password and log into your specific account. It will land you on this page once you are logged in. Head over to your profile at the bottom right corner. In here you will see two different options. One is edit profile and the other is share profile. All you want to do is tap on edit profile. At the bottom, the option of show threads badge will be visible to you. Right now, this option is turned on, so the thread is available on your bio. In order to remove, all you want to do is toggle off this button. Once you disable this option, your threads will be removed from Instagram bio, and then you'll be good to go. So that's all for today, and this was a tutorial on how to remove threads from Instagram bio. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.